Hi friends, welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and today we are making sheet pan tacos. We're starting off with a pound of hamburger, and we're going to put however much you like of some minced onion. Then we're going to throw in some cheese. I shred my own cheese, but there's one handful. Another, whatever just like looks good to you. Okay, and then I am gonna put a tablespoon of nice heaping tablespoon. Maybe even, oops, I just made a mess. Another tablespoon of taco seasoning. And my husband is like, hey, cut up some cilantro in that. So I have a bundle of cilantro, and that's what I am going to do. I like cilantro too. Do you all like cilantro in your house? We just love it. I like to put it in my eggs too. You know, just put however much you feel comfortable with. Okay, and now we're going to just mixy. Spray your sheet pan. Okay, and now take your hamburger. Kind of try to smash it as thin as you can get it. Thin. Then, I'm going to bring this closer to me. Just try to smash it onto your taco shell. Yeah, just like that. So I got this recipe online, and there was plenty comments about whether they would cook the hamburger or put it on there like this. The lady I saw, she put it on there like this. So I was like, this is really interesting. I've never tried this before. So I'm going to try it like this. So I really want to know, are you going to cook your hamburger? Or are you just going to let it, go by the directions? Okay, so we also want to do the rest. Okay, here we go. So next, I just really feel like putting some chipotle on this. You don't have to do this unless you want to, but I really want some like Mexican flavor to it. And I also have a diced tomato, Mexican style. I'm just going to put a few tomatoes on it. I'm trying not to be messy because, boy, I am just a mess maker when it comes up to the kitchen. And then, after this here, what I want to do is add more cheese. Who doesn't like cheese? I mean, that's a serious question. I really want to know, you guys. Who doesn't like cheese? Do you like cheese? And what is your favorite cheese? So we mixed in the cheddar cheese. I think now this time I am going to go top this with some mozzarella cheese. Just a little bit. We don't have to go crazy unless you want to. Because I know I like some cheese. Okay, a little bit more on that one. Spread that around. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we're just going to flatten it. Flatten them over. Just like that. Same thing here. So I hope, we're doing this together for the first time, okay? This is the first time I have done sheet pan tacos. I just wanted to let you know that. do some smashies. And these are supposed to turn out really crispy. I like crispy. Just try to fit that on there where it makes sense. But a lot of times I don't know if anything I do makes sense. You just do what you gotta do. Okay, so now we're gonna spray some oil on the top. Just a little bit, I think. Okay, there we go. So I have started my oven. I don't know if you can see it. 420. And I am going to 30 minutes and then bring it out, flip it over for another 30 minutes. So far, this is what they look like. Okay, so now it's just time to flip them over. Oh my God. Okay. Do it carefully. Now let's put it back in. Going in the oven. It's hard to grab this. Okay, so put it back in and let it cook a bit more. Okay, and now they are done. I wanted to show you the meat inside. I know that this is hot. And you can put salsa with this too. Come on, take a bite. Oh, I really like this. This turned out amazing. I mean, yeah, it doesn't look like so great, but it's nice and crunchy, packed with flavor. And you know, I thought it was going to be like greasy. It's not. Like, it is not greasy. It's crunchy. Okay, and then, you know, also, like when you're making them, like smashing a hamburger in there, on the other side of the tortilla, if you want, you could even add beans to it if you want. Or even serve this with some rice. Okay, friends. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. Always, friends, keep cooking, and I love you all.